What's up, y'all? My name is Brandon, and today we have our Master Lock 410 Lotto. So, in the previous video, we already picked this and gutted it, and today I'm going to show you how to put together and, in general, how to reassemble pin tumbler locks that have been fully gutted. So, in this box here, we have some miscellaneous stuff. It's really the outside workings of it. What's in this pinning tray here is what's the most important. So on this left side here, we have the lock core. We have the two parts of it. And then in these slots, we have the 6 sets of pins, the driver pins and the key pins. Driver pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 are all spools, and 5 is a lightly threaded pin, and we have all standard key pins. On this right side here, we have the springs and the C-clip that holds these two together. So what we are going to do is we're going to get this part of the core, and we are going to put the springs in. We're going to use the tweezers, and we are going to just slot them in. It will focus. We just want to put them in these little holes here. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Let's turn this around. Right, 6. We'll get number 5. It's in the slot. Let's push it down. All right, number 5 and number 4. They'll get in. All right, so all the springs are in, and so this is the other half, and it goes in like this. So this side is pin 6, which we will need to pin first. So our follower is right here, and what we do is we push in here, and we'll use our tweezers to get driver pin number 6. And what we want to do is we want to, okay, let's try again. So we want to position the driver pin directly on top of the hole inside the lock core, and we just want to push down on it while we push the follower forward. Yeah, pin number 6 is usually the hardest one to get. Now the worst thing about this follower is that it is open, or it's hollow, meaning the driver pin usually likes to just slide right into it, and that's not very good for pinning. These tweezers are also not very good at all. I'm not sure if that's the right hole, but I'll just assume it is. Right? Yes, it is. So if we look in there, we can see that it's been placed in there, and we have 5 more. Oh, that's not the... Oh, it is. Yeah. Yeah, we have 5 more slots to put them in. So usually past it's a bit easier, but usually I have the same problems, but it's not as severe because follower is a bit more stable inside of the lock core. Alright, pin 5 went pretty easily. We can see pin 3 or 4. Goes in pretty well. Alright, pin 3. Alright, that's pin 3, as you can see. Pin 2. Oops, slid in. Just sit on top, if we can, there, and then let's just... It's in, and let's push forward. We just have pin 1. Alright, so we have all the driver pins in, and we'll just leave this here. Now, that was the hardest part. The easier part is putting the key pins in. So how we do this, so it goes 1 to 6. On here, it goes 1 to 6, if it'll focus. Yeah, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we just put them in the according slots. Gotta make sure not to drop it. Well, let's just use our fingers. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now the inside of the core is fully assembled, and what we want to do is let's set them up. And we just slide this inside part into the outside part. You have to make sure that none of the pins go up into this part up here, otherwise it'll get stuck and you'll have to pick it in order to push it in. And now we just turn it. Oh, there we go. You can see all the pins are now aligned, and now it won't turn. So let's get this C-clip on. I think it goes on this way. Alright, that keeps it from sliding out. And as you can see, it's fully functional. Oh, hold on. Drop the pin. And it's pretty easy to fix. I just put it in there, and then we can just turn it back. It'll turn back. You know what, let's use our pick and push them down. Let's see which one's blocking it. Yeah, the 410 Lotto doesn't like being turned 180 degrees. Alright, there we go. And if we turn it back, pull the key out, see, doesn't turn. Now, let's just reassemble it inside the lock body. So we will put it this way, so the keyway faces out. Let's get these two ball bearings inside. They'll stay in their spots. Let's take one out and let's put this thing in. We need to put this part in. And then we can just drop this up on here. Go get some tape across the room. Alright. Alright, and now it is a fully functional lock again. You can see the key turns it and allows the shackle to move. Now let's get this out. Alright, so the video cut out, so we did get the entire reassembly scene before my storage went full on this phone. So as you can see, it's the exact same lock, the 410 Lotto, and I was going to pick it for a good measure. So top of the keyway tension. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Click on 2. Okay, something dropped. 1, 6, click on 6, 5, false set, forward counter rotation, or set, let's try again. Okay, click on 3, back into a false set, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1, and it's open. So yep, that's our reassembly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe and share this to your friends. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.